Okay, I'm playing Tower of Hell. And before we start this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to be notified whenever I post a new video. And also, I'm gonna make a video about me. And this is this is a voice reveal, but if you want a face reveal, I'm gonna do it when I hit 500 subscribers or 500 likes, or when I hit 1k subscribers or 1k likes, I'll do a face reveal. So yeah, and sorry I've been not posting that much for the past week, I don't know. But yeah, in next Tower of Hell video, I'm gonna vlog with my sister, I mean my cousin. So yeah, and shout out to my cousin. But we're starting next round. Oh no, this is kind of hard, but at the same time. That was close. But yeah, this is my first time putting the voice on the this is basically like a voice reveal. I don't know if I said that already, but yeah, this is my voice reveal, and I did it for nothing. I just found out right now how to vlog like with my voice. My cousin taught me, so yeah, shout out to her. I don't know how you do this, but this is really hard. Nobody has made it to past blue yet. I'm surprised. Not surprised. No, it's that hard. It's like super hard. But yeah, and also don't worry, because I'm gonna make the part 4 and the building video and Adopt Me, so you can get ideas for what if you need trouble building and Adopt Me, or you like need somebody's help to build your house. Maybe I can give you some ideas, or you can just copy off my house. I don't really care. So yeah. No, I was so close. Did you see that? I was at the end and then I just fell. For some reason, I don't know why. Okay, this one's good because this one has 9 minutes. I think it usually has 7 minutes. So this is good. go. Oh my god, I almost fell. How dare. I fell a good thing I didn't fall all the way down. Then that would have been worse. Yeah. And I do. What I was about to say, I do have another account in Roblox. I have Roblox on that account. So if you want to friend me, it's called cool_426. Yeah, I think that works. Maybe I forgot. I'm not sure. Yeah. Okay. Oops. There's somebody in this server called Addison. What's wrong with my screen? Okay, then I'm gonna go to a different server because I don't know what's wrong with my screen. So yeah. Okay, this is a cool